sitting here, Yasmin, enjoying the Florida weather, and I got so many of you asked me about yesterday's post where my team in Michigan held the trick-or-treating, and here's how they did it. I'm going to try to get it done under 1 minute. So you take your kvCORE, right? kvCORE allows you to create a QR code. Then you're going to take that QR code. Well, first of all, you're going to get a big basket, something that they can win, right? So you talk to your lenders, your title companies, put a nice basket together, and then you put a QR code for them to enter. They have to scan the QR code in order to be put into the raffle, right? And then guess what? Their information goes right into your kvCORE. That's all you need to do. Voila. Ta-da! Done. You're welcome. You can use that for any event, right? Your job is to collect their information so they can show up in your kvCORE, and then you can put them in drip campaigns, follow up with them, take them out for coffee, whatever you need to do in order to get them to become your buyers and sellers. You're welcome.